One night, I was sleeping. While I was sleeping, I had a dream. I was in a kingdom playing role as a prince. I was looking for a lady who would be my princess. I was in a city. I saw a lady named Jasmine. She was a beautiful and well-hearted person. I pretend that I am not a prince so I can find a real, real girl that love me when not because I'm rich. She treated me normally. Me and Jasmine were hanging out around the city where go talk and be together. That was start liking each other. I told Jasmine, I really like you because you're so beautiful and nice character and good personality. Jasmine said, I really like you too because you're a good character and beautiful guy and good personality. I said, but I have something to tell you. I'm a prince of a kingdom. I pretended that I am not a prince so I can find a girl that like me, not because I'm rich, not a gold digger like that. Jasmine said, huh? You have a secret to me. I don't like that. I like a boy not don't have a secret to me. But I said, but I do that so I can find a girl like you, a nice personality. And Jasmine walked out. I searched Jasmine, but I can't find her, so I go to her house and asked her parents where is Jasmine. They said maybe their favorite spot. And I go to Jasmine and find her. You always on my mind. From the time I wake up till I close my eyes, she's everywhere I go. She's all I know. And oh, she's so far away and just keeps getting stronger. And every day, and even now she's gone, I'm still holding on. So tell me where do I start? 'Cause it's breaking my heart. I don't wanna let her go. And maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Maybe my heart will find their way. Only heaven knows. And all I can do is hope and pray that heaven knows me. I'm sorry, Jasmine. I never do that again. Please forgive me. I don't want to lose you. Please come back to me. I'm sorry, Jasmine. I'm sorry too because I overreacted. Please don't do that again. Please don't secret anything to me. I promise I never do that again, Jasmine. Please forgive me. You will always ask me those words I say and telling me what it means to me. And every single day you always act this way for For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know. Come to me and hold me, and you will see the love I gave, for you still hold the key. But every single day you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Even this girl will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. And the end, my mom wake me up. Peace.